Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Today I would like to present my final year project. So my names of project is development of an IoT-based sorting system for color-based product. So my name is Muhammad Razin bin Rozali. My faculty is Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology. My matrix number is B081 810310. So my supervisor name technologist Maslan bin Zainan. So my first panel is Razilwati binti Muhammad Noor, and my second panel is technologist Dr. Shahzati bin Mat Rozali. So for this slide, I will show that my poster for my whole project's synopsis, and on my right side of the slide, this is my hardware, full implementation of my hardware in sorting system. So first of all, in my project, I will explain about the project description. So sorting system for color-based product will be implemented with IoT system from Blink applications. There are three types of color will be sorted, which is green, red, and blue. The round shape product will be sorted in this project, and the Raspberry Pi microcontroller will be implemented in this project to successful all the tasks in this project. So for these slides, I will tell about the introduction of my projects. So first of my point is sorting system are logistic material handling system used to sort items in a warehouse or distribution center based on their destinations. Next, the color-based sorting system will improve innovation using less human power and product errors. And the final points in my introduction section is sorting product by color base will be processed by the camera module by camera pi. So the problem statement in my project is a lot of sorting system in the industry use a manual system which is make output production very difficult. The quality of our workers can be influenced by their performance. As a result, the human power in the sorting system industry is exposed to a risk, which can lead to several possibilities of injuries. So in the industrial system automations give a lot of advantage to the industry's productions. The automation industry uses sorting system to trial its product followed by its categories. As example, the sorting system maybe need human to stand to sort the product by its categories, and this cause human will be exhausted and maybe their health routine will be swamped. This is cause worker need to be focused 100% of the product sorting, but human will lose its focus when they're tired. So here my objective of the project. First, to design and develop microcontroller-based circuit and hardware for a color-based sorting system. Second, to apply an IoT technology on the sorting system via a smartphone for control and monitoring purpose. And the final objective of my project is to analyze the performance of the sorting system in terms of its detections, effectiveness, color, based on product. So next in my slide is I will implement the flowchart of the process. So start, the product will be capture the image, the camera will capture the image of the product, then the camera will process the image by it calibrates. So the value of the colors and position of the pixels are defined with number. A number of different file types are used to compress the data so the file takes up the minimal amount of the computer memory. To display the image on the computer screen, the computer takes the red intensity value for a particular pixel. So here is my hardware product. So my hardware products are divided into 4 sections. The top, second sections, third section, and the end of the sections. So for my data analysis, I will take 3 data analysis for the 3 types of the colors. First, for red colors, green colors, and then for the blue colors. For the type of data analysis, I will take a picture in my workspace. I will give the output of the masked image in the Python Tony platforms. So the 6 type of data we will give the 6 different data. So I will insert in the table with the source of light in the workspace and without source of light in the workspace. So the 6 component data that I will take is low hue, low saturation, and low value. High hue, high saturation, and high value. As we can see, with the source of light and without the source of light, it gives a different data analysis that will give. So next is my data analysis for green products. As we can see, with the source of the light and without the source of the light, the data might be different, but the mask image output will give the same image. So the final data for my image processing is the blue products. As we can see in the table, with the source of light and without the source of light, it will give the different value of the 6 component data. Next, for my data analysis for servo motor 1, the time taken to complete 1 cycle versus the value input. So for my formula in this data analysis is number of degree divided by input of servo step, then we'll get the number of steps for every move of the servo motor 1. The functional of the servo motor 1 is to sort the product, bring the product below the camera module to scan the image processing. So here, as we can see, when the number of input of servo step were given, the time taken to complete 1 cycle will be decreased. Due to that, the least of steps moved, the less of times will be taken. So to improve the coding in the Python, Tony, I must need to insert the float code in this product. So in a nutshell, we jump into the conclusions for my project. This project gives a lot of improvement of the technologies nowadays. Next, humans also can reduce their energy used by monitoring the system. By implement IoT in the system, the output of the industrial automation will increase. By develop this project can help logistic manufacturer to improve accuracy of the sorting system. So the next, I will show the demonstrations of my projects. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will show the demonstration of my project is development of an IoT sorting system for color-based product. So here my implementation of hardware of my complete hardware, and here is my computer. I will connect the AnyDesk, will link to the Python Tony platforms. So I will show how to run the program first. Okay, first of all, we need to type sudo pygpiod. So we need to push enter. So I need to run. So after push the run, so here the display will show at the laptop for the 3 view. First, mask red, mask blue, mask green, and then the blur image for the frame. So next is my hardware runs. So here this is my IoT development for the Blink application. So the initial condition of the system is we need to push button on. So the initial condition of the Blink IoT for Blink apps is the red count is 0, the green count is 0, blue count is 0, and the system is initial condition is off. So we need to push the button at the Raspberry Blink IoT, and then I will insert the blue chips inside the product. So the servo motor one will sort the product below the camera, and then it will capture the image. Then the servo motor 2 will rotate to the blue bin. So the next is we need to analysis the green color products. So for all, we need to insert the green product chips into the tubes. So the servo motor one will sort the green product below the camera module. Then it will detect the green product. So the servo motor 2 will rotate to the green bin to sort the system, to sort the product. So in the Blink applications, as we can see, the red count, green count, and the blue count will count once per products. So the output of the hardware system in the IoT system are same. As we can see, the red product chips in the red bins, blue chips in the blue bins, and the green chips into the green bins. So we need to stop the system by pushing the button at the IoT, at the Blink's apps. So the whole system will be de-energized, and if I need to run the system back, we need to push the IoT Blink. So next, I can show at the Python. So how the image were processed. So I will put the red color product. So as we can see, the mask red show the mask image of the red product, the output image. So next, I will show the green products. I will insert into the tube to capture the image, and the image will process at the green product. So here the mask green output product will show. Next is the blue product. So here is the blue product. It show the mask blue output. So that's all for the demonstrations process. So thank you.